going on, guys? Alex here, and oh my goodness, am I so excited for this video. Literally, I've been holding this video off for so long because of everything that's been going on in the world, and I bought this kit so long ago, and oh my goodness, I am so excited. But before we get into this, make sure you guys hit that subscribe button and the like button and comment something down below. You guys have no idea how much that helps me out. But you know what? Let's get right into this. Let me show you guys what I got. Alright guys, so as you guys already know, probably by the title of this video, we're installing freaking air. Finally, it's been so long. We got everything kind of set up, so I'll explain the whole setup a little bit later and kind of why everything's already wired. I'm not going to be able to really show you guys the whole wiring aspect of things, but there's a shit ton of good tutorials on YouTube, so yeah. I'm out here, the boy Shav, the boy Dennis. Shout out to the homie Shav for letting me use his fucking lift, man.
This guy, this guy's hella rich. It's the offer up line.
Alright guys, so I haven't really kept you guys updated, but it's probably been like 30 minutes between this point. But we're pulling out the rear, pulled out the sub and everything like that, and now we're running all the wires through this hole. You guys probably are not going to be able to see it. Dennis just ripped that thing. You guys probably are going to be able to see if there's a hole right there that we're going to be running all the wires through all the way to the front and tucking them down and under all the panels and just putting it through the firewall over there. So honestly, it's actually, I think it's going to be really clean, so I'm really excited about that. Alright guys, now we got the car all jacked up. We finished wiring, or not wiring, but routing all the lines through. We still have to do the air fitting, or the airlines themselves, but you know what? I think we're doing pretty good on time, I'm not gonna lie. I think we're doing pretty damn good. We ripped out literally the whole interior, like on the inside, so it's crazy. It looks it looks really crazy right now. Alright guys, so here's a little update on what's happening. So essentially, like I said earlier in the video, I wired all of this stuff yesterday, or at least most of it, the stuff that we didn't have to run through the firewall over there. So this is all going on now. When we key on, actually we did a little test and just touched the leads to the battery. Compressor's working now, the control's turning on, everything is. So now all we gotta do, actually here, I'll show you guys the front. It looks super, super clean, I'm not gonna lie. Honestly, so here's this right here. This is where the fuse lies into the fuse box. And then this stuff right here, we're just gonna tuck it. All you gotta do is really just, like this one we have to feed it in a little more, and then we're gonna zip tie this up to here. But yeah, man, this is honestly going a lot smoother than I really expected. Really. That was for the bloopers. Alright guys, we're putting in the first strut, man.
I just ripped ass too, sorry.
That's amazing. Someone want to feed that shit through?
Yeah, there's a bolt this is up. That's all we need. Yep. Oh my god, dude. It already has a camber. Dude, holy shit. Oh my god. Look at that camber. Oh my god. Jeez, bro. Oh damn, dude. Dude, that's a pretty gnarly setup you got there, buddy.
Dude, I'm so hyped.
Ooh, camber gang, no.
Camber gang.
Oh. Hammer that bitch in. Hell yeah. Smack. Oh yeah, Dave. Oh.
Hit the Ford, baby.
Hit the Ford.
It's called America.
It's called Fun Road there. Oh shit. Oh man, this is bad. We're gonna get demonetized. We are. Okay, I don't know if you guys can see the difference, but that's the stock suspension, and that's the one that we just installed for the Airlift. That looks way lower. That's freaking insane, dude. Look at the difference. I don't know if you guys can tell through the camera, but dude, that's freaking insane. Oh my god, dude. We just took our second strut out. Oh, empty, soda nice. Oh yeah, look at you. Strong man, strong man.
Strong man.
We got the positive.
It's good to work out again.
Got the positive.
This is what we're gonna run.
You know, yeah. Shout out to Ford for making that hole right there so we can feed our airlines through there. So shout out to Ford for, you know, they knew that we gonna, you know, air ride this thing. So yeah. What is up there, everybody, and welcome back to the channel. My name is Dennis Barron. Alex is one of the good friend. If you guys want to see my ass. Wait, you guys already fed the line through there?
Yeah, dude.
That was quick. Damn, I didn't realize while I'm filming my ass crack.
Oh shit.
Alright, I'm not Alex, but you know, I'm the cameraman, you can call me that. But Alex had is airline low lined up, zip tied down. So I think we are ready to put the fender liner back in. So yeah. So right now we're trying to figure out the airlines because all the airlines have to be the same equal length in order to air to feed the same amount at the same time when you're going up or down, right?
Yeah, so essentially they all have to be on the same length because I don't know if you guys have ever seen in shows when some cars will go like this and then up when they're on air. It's because they wanted to go with a cleaner setup, but in return with that, the air gets to the bags faster than it does to the front bags. So they all have to be somewhat even so the car can look good, raised, you know, at the same level.
So the airline has to be completely even all the way around. So that's what we're trying to do right now, trying to get our measurements done. So yeah, just snip the tip. Oh daddy, just the tip.
All right, ready?
Yeah. Oh.
Yeah, that's perfect, dude. There you go. That's good.
Like subs, bro.
Yeah.
Like sub wiring.
Oh yeah, daddy.
So this is what it looks like after we zip tied it down. So yeah, doesn't look too bad, I would say. So this is how we're doing it. Just to have even line for the airlines. Man, look at you, professional.
Mm-hmm.
They're both lined up.
Mm-hmm.
Mark it down. Easy, man.
Eat.
Doing it again. Look at this guy, man. Look at you. Oh, sexy. Hi there. Look, ma. So nice. Oh.
Every time I say that, I remember the lady at LAKEY with the 50 off.
Oh, that put me off? I remember that.
She like, love you long time.
Love you long time. Fuck off. I remember that. That was funny as hell. I remember that.
Dude, yeah. I don't think I was with you guys at that point.
Oh, no, you weren't. I got that on camera too, I remember.
Love you long time.
Yeah, feed it. Yeah,
Feed me, daddy.
You got it?
Deeper. Feeding
Alright.
the hole right there.
what?
There you go. Good shit. Dude, this is a wrap, man. Like I say, you're good, dude. This is. Oh, I can't say that on camera. Talking about the new that's coming in.
Oh, the new. Oh yeah, you guys don't know this, huh?
Nope, I'm gonna have to bleep this out.
I looked at it. I got a sneak peek out of it. Dude, it looks nice. I gotta say, guys, it's gonna look really nice.
Boys and girls, first line of the manifold. Oh, it feels so good. All right, guys, so this is the progress that we got going on right now. We just took out the lowering springs. We're about to take out these rear shocks, and the new Airlift ones are about to go in. So, and we also got to cut these jounce bumpers. So, I mean, rip. But you know what? Let's get her done.
So they were having like rescue dogs there that day. And
I think we're doing the most important thing. Drilling the hole.
Yes, sir.
What drill bit is that?
I have no idea. This isn't the right size, but
This is not even the right.
no, it's not the right size.
You drilling out the center?
Yeah.
All right, sounds good.
Really hope this isn't important. Yeah, dude. Would it kink the line though?
yeah, cause it's still like hella 90, hella quick.
It's all good. Dennis, make sure you film my tactic of how to make the bag better. Y'all ready? This is how you do it. Now go get it. You guys might be asking, why are you using a wrench? Because if you just keep turning it, this is what continues to happen. So you gotta get in there.
Wrench right here. Here, better angle.
No, I got a better
Wrench
angle on that.
underneath right
Put a wrench right
He's
underneath,
holding it.
and then you spin, and then it won't do that.
Yeah.
And now,
Oh, the flash to the other side.
dude, we honestly, oh, dude, we're right in the money.
Money?
Money, dude.
Money to the hole?
Oh yeah.
Feel that shit.
Sounds good.
Let's fucking go. I'm telling you guys. So if your bags aren't lining up like ours were, just do my little trick. Give it a damn spin. Put it back in, man. Money.
Money. There you go. That works.
Hey, 100% of the time, it works. 60% of the time. Or so I.
We got our bag installed. Getting our sweat back. There you go.
Good shit.
Nice. So Pretty much done, huh?
Just gotta run the lines to them and then connect them.
Ooh,
compressor.
look, he's so close. Dude, I'm excited, dude. I'm excited for this.
Guys, if you guys know anything about me, when I first bought this car, I always was gonna make it into a show car. And literally since the day I bought it, I was like, I'm gonna bag this shit. Literally, I wanted bags on a car since I had, my first car ever was a Jeep. It was a 2001 Jeep Wrangler. And I wanted to put bags on that thing just to see what the hell it was gonna be like. So literally, to have this right now, literally like 5 or 6 years later, is absolutely unreal to me, man. I'm not even gonna lie. This is so amazing. So happy right now.
Finally doing it.
Dude, I know. I've been talking about this for a while, man. Me and Dennis have literally just talked, and literally I was just kind of like, yeah, I don't know if I should get him. I don't know. And then literally 5 minutes later, after we stopped texting, I was just like, fuck it.
I remember he sent me a snap. I just bought it. I'm like, wait, what? Wait, hold on, what? I thought you weren't sure about it. No, I just bought it. I'm like,
Gave it
okay,
the send,
cool.
man.
Yeah.
Look at this, man.
It was crazy how kind of easy in a way was install a bag.
Yeah, it's not as hard as I thought it was gonna be.
Yeah, I know, yeah. I thought it was gonna be really hard, but no, it wasn't at all.
Yeah.
Surprisingly, yeah.
Fronts are pretty much all
just
set.
like they put
We
that
are
on there.
ready to go.
So,
Got the
yeah,
straight bar
then we should
links
have
tightened down. This is the passenger side rear. We still do need to plug a line through the front. And the same on the driver's side as well. But yeah, after we're all done installing the line, we're Gucci, baby. We drilled that hole right there, and that's where the airline hole is going to be going through for the rear airbag. So same on this side is right there, that little hole right there. I don't know if you guys can see it, but yeah, that's that. So we're going to feed the lines through.
Cool. So then it's just Dennis and Jim Neal were able to literally fish that little ass line into such.
It's the new hit movie.
Guys, so this is not the final trunk setup by any means, because I have bigger plans for that. But you know what? For today, we're kind of running low on time. But you know what? It looks terrible right now, but it's okay. We got everything all mounted, everything, wired up all correctly. So right now, we're gonna put the wheels and tires back on. We're gonna connect the battery. Hopefully, when I turn that key, we hear that beautiful compressor kick on.
Oh my god.
Dude, it's going out! Oh my god! No way! Bro, your rear fitment! Your rear fitment is mad! No, it's gone, man!
Oh my god. No way. No way. Keep going. Oh my god. No way. It's gonna look good. Oh god. Go. Keep going. Ooh, it's gonna tuck in. It's gonna tuck in, boys. I think it's going to, yeah. Dude! That's straight mental! Oh my god!
Holy shit, bro.
Dude! Stancy boy!
Dude,
Dude, look at the front! I know!
bro.
Front is crazy, dog! Oh my god!
Holy shit.
Dude! What is this? I can't even believe it. I'm freaking out. This is not even my car and I'm freaking out. Oh, that right there is perfect. Front, that's fine. Rear, perfect. Oh my god. Dude, I cannot believe it. Oh my god, dude.
Let me down, bro.
Go down.
Oh yeah, that's better. On this side.
Hey, that's freaking crazy.
Am I talking?
Yeah.
Do I still got room?
Oh yeah.
A little bit, yeah. Ooh. How much you at? What are you at?
12?
Only more. That's like perfect right there, man. I gotta say. First air out. Go ahead.
You guys ready?
Yep. Dude, no way. That's freaking mental, dude. Holy cow.
Yo!
Can't believe this.
This is crazy!
Yo. What the hell, dude?
enjoyed that video. If you guys did, make sure to hit that like button, make sure to hit that subscribe button as well. And if you guys are thinking about doing this yourselves at home, make sure you guys give yourself a good amount of time. It took us from, it was like 12 p.m. up until right around like 10. So it was about a 10-hour install. If you guys think about doing this stuff yourself, I am not gonna lie to you, a lift is almost necessary. And with that being said, shout out to the homie Shavneil for providing that lift. Thank you so much, bro. You have no idea how much that means. And also shout out to Dennis, man. Thank you for filming that video because I was so caught up with just trying to get it done that I completely would have forgotten. If you guys have any suggestions on what else I should do to the build, because as you guys know, as I explained, that was a big goal for me to get that air in. So I'm kind of lost right now. If you guys have any suggestions, leave them down in the comments. I would love to know what you guys want to see. I hope you guys did enjoy this video. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.